Are you constantly in a state of anxiety or stress? Or you cannot seem to break out of your depressive moods? Do you feel like your life is spiraling out of control? In this audio guide, I will share on how having a morning routine gives you back a sense of control and calm. In my work in therapy, I have come across many clients who become mentally paralyzed because of what they have gone through or what they are currently going through. It is very real that the effects of a constant state of duress or anxiety can cause some of us to not want to start our day at all. We no longer desire to step out of the house. We slowly lose our functional aspects of life. And some of us constantly ruminate in sadness. I have also seen many cases where we might get triggered by external sources. Like when we receive a text message or email. Or we get triggered when exposed to certain social media posts. These triggers reminds us of certain unpleasant events of our life. And because we cannot avoid these triggers, we withdraw in fear, trying to avoid the external world completely. If this sounds familiar, allow me to guide you into establishing a morning routine. Having a morning routine can at least give you some control of your life. The key of any morning routine is to put yourself ahead of everything else that is going on in life. If you wish to grab a piece of paper to do along with this guide, pause this video here. Now, let us create a routine that you feel comfortable to achieve. Think of what you would like to do every morning. Let us start with what time you would like to wake up, regardless of the day of the week. Write that down. 1. I will wake up at 8:30 a.m. Next, think about what you would like to do right after you wake up. Perhaps to spend 5 minutes to make your bed. Write that down. I will spend 5 minutes to make my bed. Then, think of what you would like to do next, and then after. Pen them down until you have roughly 45 to 60 minutes of activities. To help you along, here is an example of a morning routine. To start, I will wake up at 8:30 a.m. each day. I will spend 5 minutes to make my bed. I will take a hot shower and wash up. I will make a glass of hot chocolate. I will sit for 5 minutes in silence while I enjoy my drink. I will make a simple breakfast for myself. I will say one thing that I am grateful for, no matter how small. Like how I have a roof over my head, or how I have hot water to shower. And to end my routine, I will listen to an audio guide before I start my day. The idea is to have a routine planned out on how you will start your day. Throughout this routine, you remain in control. You can create any routine that you are comfortable with. I strongly recommend that you do not check your phone, access emails, or surf any social media during your alone time. Remember that you should put your needs before anything else. Keep your phone away until only after your alone time. After all, you have the rest of the day to catch up on what you have missed overnight. No matter how spiraling out of control your life may be, with a routine, you can be sure that you are in control for at least 45 to 60 minutes every morning. You can use your routine mornings to tune out all the noise of the world and reconnect with yourself. Use your morning routines to give you the confidence for the rest of your day. Even if at the start, you only make it through the first few steps before giving up, it is okay. Routines take time to form. Keep practicing, and eventually you will make it your habit. Regain control of your day with your own morning routine. Thank you for your time with us. I hope you have found this audio guide useful. For more audio guides to life, subscribe to this channel.